Planning an office move in Cleveland? Whether you're relocating a small startup or a large corporate headquarters, understanding costs and choosing the right movers is crucial. Let's dive into what you need to know. Office moves in Cleveland typically range from $1.25 to $2.50 per square foot. Factors influencing this include building access, elevator availability, and the need for specialized equipment. Several elements can impact your moving expenses: building access, stairs versus elevators, after hours or weekend moves, specialized equipment handling, IT infrastructure setup. Office moves vary in complexity. Local moves within Cleveland, long-distance relocations across Ohio, international hauls requiring port-to-port services. Consider these reputable office moving companies in Cleveland. 3 Movers offers transparent pricing and a 25% discount for online quotes. Stevens Moving and Storage, family-owned with over 35 years of experience. All My Son's Moving and Storage specializes in corporate relocations with minimal downtime. To keep costs down, book midweek moves to avoid weekend premiums. Pack non-essential items yourself, compare quotes from multiple movers. Plan moves during off-peak seasons. With the right planning and professional help, your Cleveland office move can be smooth and cost-effective. Start by getting multiple quotes and choose a mover that fits your needs. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.